Good morning, students. Our today's topic is adjectives or describing words. Words that describe the quality of person, place, animal, or thing are called adjectives. I repeat, person, place, animal, or thing. Words for numbers, colors, size, and shape are also adjectives or describing words. I repeat, number, colors, size, or shape. Examples are smart girl, green parrot, round ball, and big hall. So, we see that words used to describe quality, color, size, shape, and number are called adjectives. An adjective also describes how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smells, and sounds. For example, beautiful girl, salty chips, soft pillow, and fresh fragrance. In beautiful girl, the word beautiful describes the looks of the girl. In salty chips, the word salty describes the taste of the chips. In the next example, soft pillow, the word soft describes the feel of the pillow. In next, fresh fragrance, the word fresh describes the fragrance of the perfume. So, through this video, we understood many things about adjectives or describing words. Thank you.